Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Happy Sunday. So I went out to Hobby Lobby yesterday and Tuesday morning. So just gonna share you my haul. Pretty decent. It's not as big as everybody else's, but it's a good size. Let's get started. So let me just share with you, I got the felt sheets for 99 cents. And I found this pretty green. It's looking blue on the camera, but it's actually green. I think it's my light, but it's like a lime green with the pink and green flowers. I think these are like cabbage roses. So I picked up this color and I picked up the blue. Now you can see that it's green. So this is a blue, like a pale navy blue, pretty little roses. You see the size difference in the flowers. So I picked up two because I didn't really care for the other patterns that they had. I also picked up these $1.99 canvas sheets that everybody hauled for like making their bows. Now, I don't have a die cut, but we're going to attempt to create bows. This is a glitter canvas covered, and it was this one, I don't know, this was the only one that was $1.67. $1.67, I don't know if you guys can see, there you go. And there's a like a scale pattern, like a fish scale pattern. It's very cute, like that. And then I picked, that's silver. And this is a peach, and it has the same pattern, but it's more obvious. You could see it more. You can see it like stitching. It's really cute. So that's the peach iridescent. These are the $1.99 for some reason. I don't know. And then I picked up the gold. It's the same type pattern, stitched canvas. $1.99. So I got that color. And then these are different. There's no stitching, and it's extra heavy, thick. Same price, $1.99. And it's a pretty blue, aqua blue to me. And then I got the, like, it looks like seafoam green. My lighting is not the best. It's not showing the true color. But seafoam green, and I love this lavender. Same one, thick glitter, very pretty. I can't wait to cut into these. And this is a peach. Yeah, peach. But it's not as chunky. Well, it is, yeah, it's the same. Same glitter. And then a pink. And that was it for these glitter canvas type paper. And yeah, I went crazy because I wanted every color. There were other color options. This is not new to anyone, but I finally got a pack for myself. I love her fishtail. And guess what? I want to use that for my pattern. Very pretty. I'm sure you all have seen this collection. So it comes with three of the tails, and it's a cardstock, or what are those called? Chipboard, actually. It's a little heavier than cardstock. And then you have all of these ephemera, set of alphas, set of gems right there. And there you go. So pretty. I also went to the clearance aisle, and they had a pack of Star Wars sheets, and these were 50 sheets for $5.99 in the clearance aisle. It's pretty good, and I want to see, because you know you can't open them up in the store. You're not supposed to, but there were a few other collections that were torn into. So it comes with, which you see this top page here. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm already upset. Okay, so the top sheet is Star Wars. Well, got excited for nothing. You know the saying, too good to be true? That is it. They only gave me one of this. Bunch of stinkers. Am I horrible? Yeah. Let me show you my mug. My one and only Rae Dunn I picked up at Marshall's. Or no, my daughter got it for me Christmas. This is the only paper pad I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And it's double-sided. And this is Prima, from Prima collection. Oops. I picked it up because it has like a purple tone to it, and I love it like this. Can you see that? $14.99. Okay, so I used my 40% off regular price on a punch. I have no real punch collection here. It's just like something I bought like a while ago. Real tiny little punches that were like hearts and circle and stars. So this is my first EK Tools punch that I've purchased. So we'll see. Now, how the heck do you open this thing? Oh, there. And so I've said before that I've never had a die cutting machine or anything like that. And, you know, I'm not ready to buy one yet. So I will do the punches. So I'm gonna try this out. EK Tools. I've seen people use their, oh, pretty. Okay. Well, those didn't come out. Punch them again. There we go. I was like, I want a punch. I want one of those with multiple sizes because they're so expensive. I didn't, you know, for this one punch, $16.99. And I didn't want to buy like, I actually had 4 punches in my cart yesterday, but I didn't want to buy it. So there you go. It would have been like $100 just to buy all those punches that I did have in my cart. Also picked up 2 of the storages, and they were $2.99 each. And this is similar to the ones that they sell at Walmart, but it has a better closure. Spritz collection that I just purchased. I want to put them in there, and it fits nicely. Look at that. Stickers were on sale, 40% off, all stickers. So I picked up the La Petites girls. Gorgeous. Aren't they cute? I mean, they're not new. They're all, everybody's seen them, and they restocked, so I picked that up. I picked up a pack of La Petites mermaids, and I love the colors. The blue, the silver, and the purple. Very cute. I picked up a pack of the swans, and that was Stickabilities. There's more from La Petite with the unicorns. I love fairy tales. And then I found this one just on the end cap. So I just picked up one of these. $2.99. Ugh. Anyways, their jewelry was also on sale, but apparently the one I picked is not. The fairy tale jewelry, charms, everything was, I think it was the metals. I didn't even pick up anything from that collection because there was nothing there that I liked. So I got these at regular price. Fairy tales, mermaid tails. I also found the mermaids, the little charms. Very cute. I found these in the clearance aisle, flea market. I've seen people haul these. And these are the swans. I don't know why, but you know, whatever. I just got one. Pick that up. I picked up a bag of sequins, and this was $1.99, and these are the clamshells. And I picked up a bag of purple sequins because I don't have any purple. Well, I do have purple, but they're not that pretty. And I also crochet, so I make little animals, and I've always wanted to try these safety eyes in my creation. So these are like the 12 millimeter, and they're brown, the little brown eyes. So I like that. And I picked up a smaller one, which is 10 millimeters, but these are black, just the plain black eyes. So that'll be fun. And then the last of my purchase at Hobby Lobby, I picked up the 6x6 paper pad, and this is from Authentique, and there's 24 pieces, and I believe they're double-sided. Yep. So here you go. Already on the top is cut aparts. Love that pad. And then I picked up, so this one was $6.99. Authentique. I got this one from Echo Park, Just Be You, and this one was $5.99. And there's 24 double-sided. And this was already open. Somebody opened this one in the store. It was the last one there, so I was like, I'll just get it. And here you go. Very pretty. There was so many paper pads there, but they were all like $20. So I was like, I don't know about that. So that's it for Hobby Lobby.